Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be showing you how I make my dry rub seasoning powder. So with this seasoning powder mix, you can use it on almost any and everything. So all your meats, your when you're seasoning your meats, your fish, your seafoods, your soups, your peas, if you're doing peas and stuff like that. You know, this dry rub seasoning powder is great for all of that. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. But first, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's get into the video without any further delay. Yes guys, so we're gonna start off with our all-purpose seasoning, okay? And I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of most of the seasonings because I'm just gonna be making just a little bit today. Okay, so that's our all-purpose seasoning. Our Caribbean spice and garlic, roasted garlic, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of that as well. Or black pepper, and this is ground black pepper. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon. Or paprika, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of paprika. Or jerk seasoning powder, 2 tablespoons as well. Or Cajun seasoning, 2 tablespoons. Or onion powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Or garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Or ground ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. And our chicken soup mix, gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of my chicken soup mix. Then you're just gonna get your whisk, gonna mix everything together, make sure everything is incorporated nicely. And once I'm done with this, guys, I store it in my container and I use it whenever I need to. So this just makes it easier for you to just throw one seasoning into whatever you're doing instead of grabbing each individual packet or bottle. You know, you just mix all this together and it's just a one-stop shop. And as I said, it's great for all your meats, your stews, your soups, your peas, your seafood, whatever you're doing that calls for flavor and seasoning. Okay, so once you make sure that everything is mixed in nicely, I'm just gonna put it into my container that I normally store it in. So this is my trusty little container that I store it in. As you can see, I still have a little bit inside here. So I'm just gonna be pouring some of this out in there. Okay. I typically just close it up and give it a good shake as well. Okay, and there you have it, your dry seasoning rub powder. So don't forget, you guys, to like, share, and also subscribe to my video, and leave me a comment down below to let me know if this is how you do your seasoning mix as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Take care, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.